A food processor. A food processor seems like one of those kitchen gadgets that, once owned, makes a person wonder how they ever survived without it. A food processor is one of the most broader ranges of cooking equipment, acting as your own sous chef, cutting, combining, and mixing a number of ingredients while saving time and effort. Food processor parts and how to use them. Bowl. The bowl is the biggest component of any food processor. It is placed and prepared. In most instances, the bowl is translucent, allowing you to view what's within. The bowl also adds a layer of protection by limiting unnecessary contact with the rotating blades. Some bowls have a handle. Blades. A food processor has various types of blades. These are often constructed of steel material and a sealant, which is a silicone seal circle. Controls. The mechanism is controlled by the knobs or switches on the food processor. There is a typical on, off toggle and different energy, method, and tempo options. Cover. This part's purpose is to safeguard the food processor when it is in preservation. Jar. This attachment, often termed the blender jar, is used to mix warm or cold drinks. It is also useful for crushing ice crystals. Locking collar ring. This element keeps the bowl or container from spinning while the engine turns the blades within. Motor spindle. This is the food processor's spinal cord, since numerous plates and plugs allow the device to execute specific jobs. Motor assembly. The base of a food processor contains the motor assembly and the internal power supply. Usually, there is a cord connecting this part to an electrical outlet. Slip-proof feet. Usually, food processors have these specific feet that keep them from moving while in operation. This component also protects tables and surfaces from any harm while the device is in operation. Conclusion. A food processor is a versatile food preparation device. This device is not large, but at the same time, its functionality contains almost everything that is needed in the kitchen. It consists of many parts that make this device so widespread. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out.